Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase sales with Redfin, full guide step by step clearly. To effectively increase sales with Redfin, start by creating a comprehensive profile. Ensure that your profile highlights your expertise and experience in real estate. Use a professional photo to make a strong first impression on potential clients. Next, familiarize yourself with Redfin's platform and its unique features. Take advantage of Redfin's listings to showcase properties effectively. Use high-quality images and engaging descriptions to attract potential buyers. Consider hosting virtual tours to provide an immersive experience for online viewers. Utilize Redfin's pricing tools to set competitive prices for your listings. Monitor market trends and adjust your pricing strategy accordingly. Engage actively with clients by responding to inquiries promptly. Leverage client reviews and testimonials to build trust and credibility. Network with other Redfin agents to share insights and best practices. Promote your listings through social media channels to reach a broader audience. Create informative content, such as blog posts or videos, to educate potential buyers and sellers. Use Redfin's analytics tools to track the performance of your listings. Identify which marketing strategies are driving the most engagement and leads. Continuously refine your approach based on data-driven insights. Set clear sales goals to measure your success and stay motivated. Stay updated on changes to Redfin's algorithms or policies that may affect your sales. Seek feedback from clients after each transaction to improve your services. Consider participating in Redfin's events or webinars to expand your knowledge. Incorporate follow-up strategies to maintain relationships with past clients. Utilize Redfin's partner services for mortgage and insurance to offer comprehensive solutions. Tailor your communication style to match the preferences of your clients. Explore collaborations with local businesses to create mutual referrals. Finally, always prioritize exceptional customer service to foster loyalty and repeat business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.